The Internet Bench, also known as the Cyber Seat, was the first Internet-enabled bench. It was installed in Bury St Edmunds, Suffolk, England, on 6 August 2001. It was customized to allow seating for 4 people at a time who could plug their laptops into modem jacks for free. The bench became popular as a picture-taking location and was also covered by international television crews. With the advent of Wi-Fi, the bench was deactivated. It holds a Guinness World Record for being the oldest Internet bench. The Internet Bench was installed in the Abbey Gardens in Bury St Edmunds by MSN with the support of the St Edmunds Bury Borough Council. It supported 4 people at a time who could plug their laptops into provided modem jacks for free. MSN said they chose Bury St Edmunds after receiving applications from local authorities around the country. It cost about £60 for the bench and £30 for the modem. MSN agreed to pay for the modem for 3 months, after which it was the local council's responsibility to pay if they wanted to continue the project. The first user was Brian Bagnall, mayor of Bury Street. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.